Crystal, my kitchen. And so we're a busy family. We have 3 boys. They go to Cub Scouts, we do swim, we do all kinds of community activities and participate in our local church. We spend a lot of time in the kitchen cooking. We follow our recipes and our, family loved traditional cookbooks, and then we drink homemade margaritas. And we also, here in our house, we buy in bulk and we prepare a lot of our meals in advance for our family, and that helps us save a lot of money. And so today I'm going to show you how I prepare a meal in advance for my family and how I store it and how I do it so that way when I don't feel like cooking and I'm just tired, I can just pop it out of the freezer and into the oven, and bam, it's all done, ready to go, and we're not spending extra money eating out and eating unhealthy. Do it. Typically I don't measure my stuff out. I just kind of throw whatever I want on there and I just roll with it because I don't have time to measure it out. But if you want to and you need to, I have this handy dandy little measuring thing for you. And so we're going to use that as just a quick reference today when we measure everything out for you. And then as we get ready to put it in the oven and then start preparing our sides, we'll go over that with you more in detail too. So next we're going to add the parsley, and so for this we're just going to use 2/4 teaspoons as well, and it helps give us some good herbs on it and makes it look really super pretty. I love all the green and the different colors and texture on the meat. It always brings out so much flavor. So that's one of my favorite things of cooking, is all the different seasonings that you can use and how you can make it taste so different and use foods in so many different ways. So the next we're going to use the McCormick's Perfect Pinch. This is a garlic and herb seasoning, and it's salt-free, so for people who have to worry about their salt intake like me, it works really good. So then you just use 1/4 teaspoon of this. It just gives an additional flavor to the meat and gets everything ready. And then next we have our last ingredient, and this is pink Himalayan salt. And so this is also a grinder, so we're just gonna grind over the whole thing, and we don't want to overdo it, but 5 or 6 grinds is probably more than sufficient. And so everything's ready to go now. That our next step would be to literally cover it with foil and turn the oven on and get that ready to go so it can cook for about 5 or 6 hours on about 200. And then once it's done, we'll just pull it all apart and put it in the meal prep container. Oh my goodness, you guys. No, not right now. Come on. This is why every mom needs a homemade margarita to get her through the end of her day. Here we go. We're going to put this in the oven for 6 hours on 200. After this is fully cooked, then we're going to put it, once it's cooled down, tear it apart and put it in here. And so one of these can be a meal for your entire family, and they're only $1 at Dollar Tree for 3 of them, so that saves you space in your deep freeze. It also keeps them from getting freezer burnt and stuff. So as long as you write on there and date on there what it is, then you always know what's ready for you when you need it.